they just managed
Yes,
to
few
play
players were affected last week, but it's not an excuse. I think our performance wasn't the best. I repeat, and that we need to be focused now and try to improve. A lot of reason that maybe because of course Southampton, because the pitch didn't help, but on the end we must do better, and we need to play better, and our performance, if we want to be on the top four, we need to improve and increase our level.
The teams around you are all strengthening or buying new players in January. Is that something that concerns you during
No,
this month?
I am not concerned about that. I know very well that it will be difficult to add quality to the team in that period. I am very relaxed, calm. I am not concerned. I think I am happy with the squad that we have. If something happen and maybe all the conditions are for try to sign some player, of course, but if not, it's not a problem.
Harry Kane's again being linked with Real Madrid in the newspapers today. What's your message to Real Madrid or any other?
Again,
Yeah.
I am not going to speak about rumors. I am not going to speak because if I give an explanation about one rumor, I need to speak about, and I think in my press conference to give my opinion. I am not going to speak about rumors and from Harry Kane or from Mauricio Pochettino for different things. It's not my problem to explain the rumors.
Richard, Liverpool, Manchester United and Arsenal, next three, these the games that could decide the top four for Spurs?
Yes, of course that will be important for us. It's important if we are going to take points and win games, sure that we are going to fight. If not, will be difficult, but of course that is the idea. Try to win games and be consistent, and try on the end to have the possibility to fight for the top four.
Do you think it's maybe very risky then for the clubs around you to be trying? You said it's difficult to buy quality in January. Are the clubs around you taking a big risk by buying players at this time of year then?
Another team take risk.
That's what he's asking you.
Yeah.
Why?
Well, you said it's difficult to buy quality at this time of year, which to me means it's better to stay quiet in the transfer market in January and wait for the summer.
Depends.
But they're all buying, so I wondered.
Yes, if they find the way to sign players that can improve and can help their team and their squad, nothing to say. But for us, it's difficult and will be difficult for different reasons. I think it's obvious, no?
Take two more.
Just be clear, in terms of you've got the two players had the virus. Had any of the players out there today been ill?
Yes.
So it's obviously a very tough game for them if you're not feeling physically right.
Yeah, but it's not an excuse, eh? The draw is not because we were tired or with some problems.
Did they pick it up while you were away?
No, before.